Hi, Skip here for Rockstar Sealing. I'm going to tell you about a product that I really love. New, coming into the States here real soon. Rockstar Stone Care. So, you have protected your investment in a very easy, highly efficacious way with any one of the Rockstar Sealing products. It's taken care of, but now you got to preserve the integrity. You have to clean that stone and you want to maintain the finish. Kind of like brushing your teeth with a toothpaste that has that enamel protectant in it to maintain everything that the dentist just did for you, right? Okay, Rockstar Stone Care. How simple. Pull it out from the cabinet, spray it on top of that, in this case, beautiful marble countertop. Wipe down, polish off. I'm cutting through grease, grime. If this was next to a stove, I'm cleaning soap scum off of a shower wall. Easy peasy, simple, done. And the next best part of this is I've added a little bit of sealer to it to add a little more protection, right? Because every surface, no matter what's been sealed with, is going to be abused. That's where all the love happens. Shower, kitchen counter, right? You're sometimes going to make a mistake with not using the soft side of a sponge. You'll use maybe a little abrasive. Your housekeeper did something that they shouldn't have. Make sure you tell them not to. Put this in their cleaning bucket, right? To learn more about Rockstar Stone Care, visit rockstarsealing.com. Great product.